Now I can talk. Right. There's nothing wrong with accessorizing. But you know, when it comes to storing jewelry, I am terrible about it. All my necklaces are all tangled right now. Many of you know it just can create a mess at home.
Yes, it can. It can. So this morning we have an elegant way to reduce the clutter, untangle those jewels, and put some scrap wood to good use. I love it. It's a win-win. Our DIY expert Shannon Quimby joins us live to show us her latest project. Good morning. Look at you, pretty as a picture.
Oh, nice.
See what I did there?
Yeah. So, and thank you for calling my DIYs elegant too, by the way. I don't hear that very often.
I think it's elegant. I love
Always.
this idea. This is really cool.
I know, this is great. So all you need is a leftover frame and leftover scrap wood, which many of us have leftover because we've been doing so many home improvements.
Yes.
And I know, Jenny, I've been seeing a lot of yours that you've been creating, and so I'm sure you got a lot of leftover scrap wood.
Oh, girl, for days, yes.
Exactly. So for this project, what I like to use is thinner pieces of wood. So your door trim, your window trim, and so forth. And also different widths. As you notice, I've got a whole bunch of scrap pieces in different widths.
Oh, nice.
The reason why is because it's going to be easier to fit in between the frame of whatever you choose. Right? So you get some wood, make sure that the pieces to begin with are larger than the opening of your frame. That's important. Yeah. But before you cut it, you want to lay them down in the order that you want them to be inside the frame. And then to take a pencil to remember on the back of each piece, write 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many pieces you have, so you remember what order they're in. Okay?
Oh, I like that. Okay, that's a good hack.
Yeah, that's a good hack. Yeah. So then you measure, you take your tape measure, and you measure the inside of the width of the frame. So on your frame, you can determine whether you want to go this way or this way. Okay? So measure the frame and then cut. You can use a miter saw, a hand saw, or a neighbor to help you cut the pieces.
Well, yeah, and a lot of stores will do it too. If you don't have those items and you smile and you're nice, they'll do it for you.
If you don't have a co-host with her own set of saws.
Yeah, sorry, I'm over talking on you guys.
No, you're okay. Zoom is fun.
Okay, yeah. I like to go to Parr because they help me out all the time too, and they always have scrap.
Yeah.
So at that side, you got them cut, and then you just take, this is some Minwax, and you just start staining your pieces. It's very simple. And you stain each piece, and you let it dry, and then you wipe off any excess stain, okay? That's why it's important to remember the order, because you start to get messy, and you forget the order that you're in.
Okay. Now, can you do like different amounts of stain on different pieces if you wanted some to be lighter, some to be darker, that kind of thing?
You know what's great about that too? That's a really good question, Emily, because if you notice all the pieces of wood, a lot of these pieces are different kinds of wood. And they're going to absorb. See, that's all just one layer of paint. You see that?
I thought you did different coats on different pieces. That's really cool.
No, yeah, that's a great question. So, but yeah, that's kind of the great thing about DIYing. You never know kind of the direction you're going until you end to the end.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So then you take your frame and you paint it white. Once again, just use whatever leftover paint you have. You can prime it and then paint it. If there's a sheen on the frame, make sure you sand it before you do so the paint can adhere to it. And then you just take your pieces of wood in the order that you had and you slip them in, and you just basically start putting them together into the frame. It's really simple. Here, I'll hold it up for you.
Okay. And do they just stay in there, or do you have to like glue them or something?
I take a wire brad, a 3/4 inch wire brad, and with a hammer and tap it in on each on the back and nail them in the sides.
Okay.
Okay. Then, after all said and done with that, I like to use the vinyl teacup hooks that have the vinyl cover, because a lot of times the jewelry will slip around. So I like to do those, and I just basically take these vinyl teacups and I just randomly put them alongside into the frame.
Love it.
I know, and like you said, you can organize it with your jewelry, but this could be anything. You could put it you know, by the front door. You can hang your keys.
Keys. That's a good idea.
Shannon,
And what's,
You think of everything.
you do, and you're giving away some of these too?
yeah. So this one right here, giving this away. Plus, I'll finish these two, so a total of 3. And you can go on Parr Lumber's Facebook page, and they have all the details, and you can have one of these.
Awesome.
Boom. Awesome.
I love it,
Yeah.
Shannon. Great ideas as always. Thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome. Good to see you guys. Have a good day.
You too. Stay cool this weekend. Good weekend for a fun DIY project indoors.
If you have AC.
If you have AC.
Right.
Otherwise, go to your neighbor's house with AC. Hey, for the instructions and supplies to create the jewelry rack that you saw today, or to check out all of Shannon's awesome ideas, you can go to coin.com, click on AM Extra.
Okay, Netflix is teasing a bizarre new dating show. I feel like that's an understatement.
Bizarre.
Bizarre.